loose Sprint filter for 2019 Panigale V4 S. Also got the Simononi up map, cable, that's the filter. This is the P08 filter. I'm gonna throw that in and do the up map. Today we got it from Manny Moto Million. Some nice stickers that come with it. That's it. So this P08 filter flows a lot more air than the stock. Alright, so to install your Sprint L filter, you're going to loosen up these two 4mm on each side. You got the one side loose. You turn the handlebars and do the same thing on the other side. So now that you got that loose, this should just accordion up out of the way. Lift up on the other side as well. And move this stock filter up out of here. Stock one's out. So I put it in. This round side actually goes towards the bike. Nice dead bug in there. A couple dead bugs in here. Nice. Just work it in there. Make sure you get it all lined up good. see, got it all in there. The seal's flush on here on both sides. Just close it down, bolt it back up. You're good to go.